So today we will be looking into the new chapter actually altogether, that is client. What is client? Okay, client administration. So I will just share the screen. So when you see here, this is client, right?
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
Everyone see this?
Yes, sir.
So by default, after installation, this 001 client, we directly log in into DDIC and the password, right? So actually today we will be discussing on this client, okay? And this client chapter is very important in terms of interview, okay? So I think this client chapter will take minimum 3 days, okay, to complete. So it is very important topic in terms of interview, and plus as this is a totally a new topic or new concept of SAP, okay. So for you people, it will be little bit difficult to understand, okay. So whenever you have any questions, you can just ask me and you can refer this video also, okay. So we will be discussing this client chapter, okay, today. So if you see here in our Google Drive, I have already copied this client administration, then there is a Word file, there is a notepad, okay. And these are the two activities which we will be doing. That is local client copy and remote client copy. Okay. So if you see what is client in SAP, so client is basically an organizational and technical unit within an SAP system. Okay. What does this mean? Actually, this means all the business data, okay, is stored in client, okay, and it is protected with other client also, okay. So what actually this client contain? This client contain application data, customizing data, and user master record. So application data, what is application data? Application data is the data that are stored in database tables. What is customizing data? Customizing data is data created by customer when they customize their system. Okay. So we will go a little bit deep in this customizing data. So what exactly the customizing data means? Customizing data. Okay. So what happens like in SAP, the customizing data we always call as Z. This is what the customizing data is, nothing but which is created, or the programs which is created as per customer requirement. Okay, that means it is not the standard, it is done as per customer requirement. Now say for example, we'll take here the invoice. Okay. So anyone knows what is invoice? Invoice is nothing but a type of bill, okay, which is generated by the company for their customers. Okay. So say for example here now Tata Motors. Okay. So this is one of the company. Okay. So what they raise is the invoice. Okay, for their material. Okay. So this invoice is made as per the customer requirement. So, so there will be company's name. Okay. Then all details in the invoice will be as per the customer requirement. So this requirement is fulfilled by or is done by the consultant, ABAP consultant. Okay. Generally, a program is created and the changes are made in that program so that the invoice is created as per the customer requirement. So this is called customizing data. Okay, means it is the data which is created as per the customer requirement. That is customizing data. What is user master record? A user master
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon to update yourself with latest SAP videos.
record defines the authorization assigned to a user. Okay, and basically the security consultant is for maintaining the user master record and assigning authorization. That is basically a user master record. Okay, so all these three heads contain a client: application data, customizing data, and user master record. Now, what is logical system in SAP? Actually, a logical system is a unique ID within an SAP system that identifies a partner communication system. Okay, so for example, now if SID is ECD and client number is 100, then logical system will be ECD CLNT 100. Okay, so this is a standard or the best practice of SAP, wherein the logical system is identified as SID, CLNT, and the client number. Okay. So now what we will do is we will see clients which are created while installation. When you do the plain installation, there are three clients created: 000, other is 001, and the last is 066. So now where you will check this clients, what is the transaction for that? The transaction for that is SCC4. Suppose now I log in into this development server. Client is 001. Okay. I will log in with DDIC. Here I will give transaction / and SCC4. So can everybody see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if you see here, 000, 001, and 066, right? So that is the same I have written over here, but in some more details. Okay. So these clients are created automatically while installation. Okay, by default during installation. So what is the use of this 000 client? So it is used by this admin for patching, upgrade, and configuration. Okay, it is written in front of 000 basis admin patching, upgrade, and configuration.